guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be another hair video. I know I've been doing a lot of them lately, but I did purchase a lot of hair during the 11/11 and Black Friday sales, so I have a lot of hair to show you. And honestly, if I'm being 100% honest, I just don't have time to do my makeup. Like, I have a full-time job, I have to take care of my daughter. I don't have time, okay. But as soon as I am able to get a makeup video to you guys, I will. A whole bunch of my videos that you have been watching have been pre-recorded, so I have a lot of content that I still haven't edited. That word is so hard to say. I haven't edited yet, so I will be getting videos, makeup videos out to you. They're just not going to be anything like super recent, probably like from a couple weeks ago, but sorry about it. Anyway, let's get into this hair. So I think I said in a prior video that I had purchased some gray ombre hair from BQ Hair Company, and they used to be on AliExpress, but now they're on Amazon. So this is the box that it comes in, and this was shipped via Amazon Prime. Their company does come Amazon Prime, so 2-day shipping. Okay, so I have not opened this yet, so I'm hoping this is some good hair because this is going to be my birthday hair. My birthday is in January, and I haven't done gray hair officially yet. I think I had like a gray wig like way back in the day when I started making my own wigs, but this is gonna be new. And I didn't get a light gray because I didn't want to look ashy, so I did get more of a charcoal gray, but let's see what it actually looks like in real life. Alright, so these are the packs of hair. So you get a little booklet telling you how to take care of your hair. I've ordered from BQ Hair Company a couple of times, especially when they are on AliExpress, but now they're on Amazon Prime, and that's even better. Of course, their prices are a little higher now that they're on Amazon, but you get the 2-day shipping, so it's kind of like a trade-off. I personally think they're still affordable, but I will leave the link to their store down below in the description box so you can check it out for yourself, and you can decide if it's worth your money. But I am a frequent buyer of BQ Hair. I've ordered their curly hair, I've ordered their ombre blonde hair, so yeah, I like their hair. Then you get a wig cap, but obviously I'm not going to be able to wear this because this is in black. And they also send you some lashes. Alright, so let's see what I ordered. Alright, so let's see what I ordered. I ordered 3 bundles, 18, 20, and 22, and then I got a closure for in 16 inches. Now, the closure came with the bundles. If I could have gotten just 4 bundles of hair, that's what I would have gotten, but that's not an option. It's 3 bundles and a closure, so that's what I ended up getting. I am going to be doing a frontal separately, like making my own gray frontal, because I wanted a frontal. I don't like closures. I don't know how to work with them personally. You guys can see I really never have ever worn a closure before. I always wear my frontals. I just think they look a little bit more natural, and the way I like to wear my hair, I like a lot of body in the front, and with the closure sometimes you really can't get that. So yeah. Alright, so I haven't opened this hair yet, so let's get into it. So it comes in a, it's not really a reusable plastic bag. It's one of the cheap ones that have the sticky film right here just to keep it closed. And then it's got the inches there on the top. It does not come with a hairnet. Oh, and I forgot to mention this is in the body wave. So let me back up so you can see. And it comes with a tag right here. Their packaging pretty much hasn't changed since they were on AliExpress. They've always had this great packaging, and this is the way I like my wefts to be packaged. I like them to be folded like this instead of in the round form, because I feel like they don't get as tangled when they're like this. And this is a really pretty gray. This is like a true gray. I actually thought it was going to be darker. It looked a little bit darker in the pictures, but I can work with this. I can always just put a black rinse on it to make it darker. There are a lot of flyaways. So taking it out of the package, all the hair is not, you know, molded together. I think if they had put a hairnet on it, it would probably not look so frayed. Let's see if it has a smell. It doesn't have a smell. The hair doesn't feel super soft. It definitely feels like there's some product in it. So we'll see what happens after I wash it. It's got a natural luster to it. It's not too shiny. But like I said, there is a lot of breakage. I don't know if you can see that. A lot of breakage. But as far as being true to length, I would say that this, I guess this would be an 18-inch. I don't know. It looks more like a 16-inch to me. But I might just be spoiled because a lot of the companies that I purchase my hair from on AliExpress, their bundles, they say it's one thing, but you'll actually get longer lengths when they send it to you. So maybe I've just been spoiled that way, but yeah. I'm not super impressed straight out of the bag, I'll be honest, but let's just move on to the next one. So I'm not going to open all the bundles. I'm just going to open the 18-inch and the 22-inch. So let's do that one next. So once again, no hair net, so when you take it out of the package, it's a little frayed. This one looks true to length. This one is definitely a lot longer than that 18-inch. And you guys know the longer the bundle, the less you get. So this is what I'm working with right here. And that's another reason I'm going to put a frontal on this wig instead of a closure, because I don't feel like they send you enough hair. If you order it in longer lengths, I don't think it's enough hair for a full wig with just a little 4x4 closure. So that's why I'm definitely going to be using a 13x6 frontal to create this wig. So just like the 18-inch, it's in the body wave style. A lot of flyaways. This doesn't feel like it has any product in it like the 18-inch did though. Let's see if it has a smell. Alright, no smell. And I don't think I mentioned this for the 18-inch, but I love this ombre. It's nice and staggered. It's not a straight line across like some companies will give you when you order ombre hair. This is, the black is faded nicely into the gray, so I definitely like that. And I like that the ombre is not really far down on the bundle. I like that it's near the weft. It's maybe about an inch and a half away from the weft, so I do like that. It makes it look a lot more, personally I think long ombre doesn't look good. I like short roots, so I really like how that looks. And this is all 8/8 hair. I don't think I mentioned that. It's all 8/8 hair, and it is Brazilian origin. And then finally we're going to get into the closure. Right, so this is a standard 4x4 closure, and this is in 16 inches. I feel like this is just as long as that 18-inch, you know? It does not feel like it has any product in it. I think the 18-inch is the only bundle so far that I can say I'm not really impressed with. This is nice and full from the weft to the tip. Well, it doesn't have wefts, but you know, from the lace to the tip. Once again, it's a nice ombre, and it's not too far down on the lace or on the closure. It's like about an inch to an inch and a half again, which I like. And once again, it's nice and faded. It's not like a stark line. This is medium brown lace, which, like I said before, that's another reason I'm going to use a frontal that I make myself, because medium brown lace does not work for me. Now, if I were to order this hair again, when I give this review actually too, I'm going to say I wish they had frontal options or just bundle options, because they only have bundle enclosure deals. They don't have just bundles. So I really wish I could have gotten 4 bundles and then I would, you know, provide my own frontal, but you know, overall I like it. I mean, yeah, it doesn't have a smell. And there is a lot of flyaways on this closure too, just like on the bundles, but you know, that kind of stuff doesn't bother me. You just put a smoothing conditioner on it and all those flyaways will lay down. But yeah, it feels really good. No shedding on any of the bundles that I've opened, nor on this closure, so yeah, I like it. And the knots are not bleached, but it was not advertised as being bleached, so yeah. So that's it for this unboxing. I will be doing an update video after I make my wig, and I might even include how I get my frontal to be that gray color. Honestly, I'm not sure how I'm going to do it yet, but it is going to happen. I just, you know, I have to find time. I don't have any time. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And I hope to see you in the next one.